Ever thought these random items could become a gift basket that somebody would actually buy? Watch this. Okay, so I have already gone ahead and taken a couple of picks that I got from the Dollar Tree, glued that on to the corkboard. And then I have this, a nice roll. So I said, hey, you know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna wrap this. That's what I'm going to do. So we're gonna use the glue gun. Do that a few times around here. And no, I have not done this before. I just think it'll look nice. I like to do something different. Gotta tighten it up. That glue is gonna hold it in place so it won't be moving, because we don't want it to come off, right? And just keep on wrapping it. And I'm all ready. There we go. There we go. And a little piece right there that did not want to lay down right. So I add a little bit of extra glue right there. And then I'm gonna wait a second because I'm moving a little fast for the camera. Okay. Right now, I'm gonna keep going because I want to cover up this hot glue that I see in this spot where I put the flowers at, the plant on the front. And I did that on purpose because I only wanted to do it in a couple of places. And that's the only place where you can see it. I'm almost there. Good thing that glue is not hot when I touch it, because I keep on getting it on my finger as I turn. But by the time I get there, it's not hot. Hallelujah. And that is it right there for that part. It would have been smart to hold that there till it was dry and then cut. Yeah. That would have been smart. Add just a little bit right there. I like that. Yes, just like that, okay? I was thinking about giving another piece, but I'm not. Okay, I'm gonna stop right there. All right, so the next thing we're gonna do is with this pot holder. Okay, we're gonna take this tag off the back of this pot holder, just like that. Okay, put that in the trash. And then I have some fabric fusion. Okay, and what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna turn this over and I'm going to fold it like this. Let me show you, like that. Okay, so I'm gonna fold it like that. We're going to make sure it's gonna stay first. Let me make sure it's in the right spot before I want my angle to be at a certain spot. Okay, so right there, I'm going to take a little bit of you and put it right along the seam. Okay, right along the seam there. And we're going to press that down like that. And then I'm going to take this one and I'm going to go over it like that. I want it to be like that. Okay, so I'm going to do that again. Now, this time it looks like this. See, the little tag thing is right there for you to hold it. So I'm going to do like this, and I'm going to put a little bit right along the seam. And then I'm going to press that down. Now this is going to take, because this is not the quick set one, the instant one, this one is supposed to take up to 12 hours. So that would be overnight, okay? But I already have one ready, you know I do. So what I'm going to do is place this to the side. All right, I found my clips. So this is what I'm going to do. Is I'm going to clip this in a few places to hold it together. Okay? Just like that. And then when it dries, it will look like this. Like this. See that? So now if there's a second pocket here. Okay, second pocket. And then there's a big pocket. So you can do lots of things with this, okay? But what I'm going to do, let me show you. I have already gone ahead and filled my base, put some tissue paper on top, and the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to take this spoon and these chopsticks, and there we go, just like that. Okay, so it's a little holder, to-go holder. Okay, so we got that, and then we also have a bowl with the chopsticks. So we're gonna put that right here. Okay, and then behind it, this is where I made this. Okay, and I have already put the tacks. I put them inside of that wrap. I stuck it down in there and put a glue dot on there so they can use it. Okay, so we're gonna do this with this. And we're going to move that back. Maybe. Okay, because I'm still thinking. Okay. And then we also have some Pocky. We're going to put the Pocky in here. And we also have some lightly salted snap peas. So we're going to put them right here. And then we have some ginger chews. So we're going to put those right here. And we have a bubble tea. So we're going to put that. Let me get up so I can see. I'll put the bubble tea right there. And we have some crunchy chili onion spread. We're going to put that right here. And then we're going to place these right here. Let me see. Let me see. Or do we want to put these up here? I like that better. Okay, I like that better. Let's get this done. I know I haven't put the glue dots in there yet. I just realized that as well. So I'm about to glue dot it all together so it doesn't move. All right, let me look at it this way for a second. I'm gonna glue that. Actually, we're gonna do it like that because it'll stick like that. Boom. I knew it was gonna stick to that paper just like that. Okay. And then we're gonna take this and attach it right there. And we're gonna take this and attach it right there. Okay, oh, okay, sit that on the side. It's a curved object. It's a curved object, lady. Okay? I don't know how I expect it to stay in the middle. It's a curved object. Okay? I don't know. I don't know. But now, you're fine. And let me see here. Even though you're not going to move, I'm still going to put that there. No shift. No shifts. No shifts. Okay? There it is. There it is. What do you think? You like it? You like it? You like it? I like it. Tell me what you think. I can't wait to hear it. Please like, comment, and subscribe. And until next time, bye.